We build and manufacture machines for the aerospace fastener industry. The faster that our customers can push parts out the door, the more successful they will be. If they're more successful, we feel like we've helped in their success.
Here at PCE Engineering, we as a company, we want to deliver the best products.
We've taken a process that will take anywhere from 45 seconds on a part down to 8 seconds. What's impressive about this machine is the 11 axes that we use to shave down the fastener heads to very specific dimensions, and we're talking about tolerances within thousandths of an inch. Fasteners help keep planes up in the air, so they've got to be on point.
When Schneider was first introduced to us, it was presented to us as an alternative for lower cost, same quality, and we decided to give it a shot.
The program is a very complex program. We felt like having the support from Schneider with helping us develop that program was a great deal. Jose is actually the one that does all the CAD drawings. Based on those drawings, Schneider was able to help us size the motors.
Electrical motor, by itself, it's just a motor. But it has to be coupled with the mechanical part, so they work hand in hand to make what we expect the machine to do. The electrical part, where Schneider is how to make those components to move.
The support we have from Schneider now has really helped us bring this machine to life. Support is everything for a small business like us.
As a large company, they see on the smaller companies, they see an opportunity to help those companies grow, to help those companies produce what is needed for the industry. So I think it's just great.
I don't think we would have taken on a project this size if it weren't for Schneider being on our side.